What's up, wavers? In today's video, I want to go through all the essentials of the 360 waver, all the products you have to use in order to make the 360 wave. So, we're going to start with the durag. Yeah, the durag is very important because it helps you to make sure that all your curls are laid down properly. So, the durag is very important. And another thing you have to use the calaviator. The calaviator helps you to keep your hair moist. Yeah, the calibrator is very important. In addition, you have to use the spotting wave. Spotting wave is very important. In fact, in all things you should buy first, you have to use the spotting wave as an essential product as a beginner for the 360 wave. Yes, all you need is a wave brush, and very many people are commenting. So the wave brush is almost 30k Ugandan shillings, so it's very important for a wave beginner. Most important, you have to make sure you use the blue bar soap. Blue bar soap is very important. In Uganda, it's called Musao soap. Yeah, Musao soap helps us to form all curls, most especially in case when you're brushing to keep your wave moist. Remember, it's moist. You have to add in the Musao soap, which makes a lot of leather. So all new beginners, all new wavers, you must get these products to make it perfect. Yeah, in order to get a 360 wave, you have to make sure that all have these products, most especially this, plus a durag on your head. Okay.